Hey, Jonah, turn me up, raw.
This is beats, gotta keep a carbon in my reed. And call the Mari out my teeth. Why you putting 40s on the G? Like he spilling coffee on my jeans. I don't like me talking, I'm gon' speed.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into these tape-ins. The company that I'm featuring today is YGWigs, YGWigs.com. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this tutorial. This is one of my first times experimenting with tape-in extensions. Everybody knows that they are so trendy right now. Tape-ins have been around forever, but tape-ins are typically used on like different texture hair. I would just say that. I decided to go with Kinky straight because I think whenever dealing with extensions that you have to blend with your natural hair, it's just better to get a texture that matches your natural hair. I have two sets of 18-inch Kinky straight tapes, and they have a variety of textures on their website. Be sure to check all the details in the description box so you can check out all the different textures that they have to offer. So what you see me doing here is sectioning off my leave out. And I say leave out because this is the part of my hair that I don't really want to put tapes because I don't want it to show. I want to be able to do different styles. And if you have similar texture to my hair, like if you have fine hair or fine natural hair, there are certain areas that you want to avoid putting the tapes, certain areas that you'll be doing a lot of manipulation, and also you don't want the tapes to show. So here you see me just checking that when I flip the hair up, you wouldn't be able to see the tape. So I say to check that with a rat tail comb. You can put the tail right there and flip the hair up. So I'm going to section off my hair that I want to avoid the tapes, and then I'm just going to go in and start to add the tapes in. So for this tutorial, you're not going to see me do the tapes in the back because this was my first attempt and I really wasn't sure. I figured it out, did a little finessing, and then you're going to see me once I get closer to the top of my hair to add the tapes in. I'm going to say that these are definitely a versatile style. Like as far as protective, I'm not going to say it's a protective style because even after sleeping with the tapes after one night, I noticed that like the next day I needed to add a little bit of heat to my hair to get it to blend. My hair is colored black, so I dyed the tapes black, I blew it out, and I flat ironed it so the hair is pressed. Or if you don't care about your hair matching your tapes, do you? Otherwise, it looks so good. They lay so flat. I know one of the questions that I had at first was, how is it gonna feel? Like, you don't feel it at all. Like, it literally feels like your hair, which is crazy. It's lightweight, it's not heavy at all. It's definitely different than clip-in extensions. Clip-in extensions, after a while, you're going to feel that tension at the root of your hair. So I would definitely try tapes again. These are reusable. They do give you extra tape, so there is a way to remove the old tape from your extensions and add new tape to it, and I will be doing that because I really do like this style. As far as the quality, these are really good quality, and I didn't even have to use the entire two sets of tapes. Like, I got away with 1.5 about. I could have put all two in there, but then it would have been massive. Like, it would have been a whole lot of hair. But I like that I still have some new tapes left over, and I can mix that in with the tapes that I'm going to reuse in the future. Shout out to YGWigs for sponsoring today's video. As I stated, all the details will be down below, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
the Mari out my teeth, babe. Why you putting 40s on the G? Like he spilling coffee on my jeans. I don't like me talking, I'm gon' speed, babe.